Hi all, today I am going to be introduce you HM Herbos mini distillation unit. HM Herbos, as you know, the one of the largest company for manufacturing distillation unit, and uniquely we are known for making distillation unit from 5 liters to 10,000 liters. Today the one of that segment of distillation unit, we have 3 segments. One is mini distillation units. Below 50 liters we count it as a mini distillation unit, and above that till 50 to 500 liters we consider as a small distillation unit, and beyond that one higher side of distillation unit, hydro or steam distillation unit. Today I am going to be explaining you that components and apparatus of the mini distillation unit. We have 3 variants as of now: 5, 10, 20 liters in mini distillation unit, and this distillation unit is uniquely known for their best design, and the easy to handle operating is very easy to do. It has SS304 made their body, and all these parts is made of SS304, and it is definitely it is a food grade and rust free. And condenser is having seamless pipes so that it is long lasting, and it has a easy to condense the material very nicely. This part is called the vessels, and this define their capacity. They define their capacity of that distillation unit. So this is the 5 liters, this one is that 10 liters, and this one is 20 liters of machine. And in these units you will be getting the condenser part is this, and connecting this container to condenser is this is clamp part, and this is a separator. And this is a multi-purpose machine. Here you can use that for making arc for different herbs and petals and different kind of any material. You can make a arcs of that one, hydro arcs we can say that. And for lab use you can have for the producing and processing that essential oil. And our clients are also using for cow urine distillation, and they are very fantastic output clients are getting from this machine. And this machine is so uniquely designed that none of that foreign matters jump and come into this condenser, so that only condense and the pure material you receive from this output. And little explanation of this their body and their different part of that machine I am going to do that. This is the vessels, and there is a clamp for connecting that condenser part to that vessels, and this is their connecting pipe to the condenser to the container. And here is the condenser spiral tube condenser is there. This is the output of the material comes here, and here it is a input of separator, and you can say arc collector also. Here you can have that material, and therefrom we get that arc and gulab jal or the rose water. We can have this from this output. And there, if there is a oil of any herbs or any kind of aromatic plants, here it will be floating. We can close this part and can get the oil from this portion. In the same way, there is a one jali is inside of that, so that if herbs or any kind of petals the user want to be put it inside that container, it can be done. And we can customize also, we can customize that machine also. Some clients may require this temperature gauge or that temperature gauge. These things also we can provide you as per your demands. Here you can see you can separate this part, and here we have this gasket, which is a silicon gasket, food grade silicon gasket, which doesn't change their shape, have a 450 degree of steam. And there you will have a jali kind of things. This jali can be placed in this way, and bottom of that there would be a water, and metal can be flowed over that one. Same way if you open this one, in all machine you will be receiving this. In this way you can open that very easy, and it close all the part of that condenser and container connectivity, so it preserves that steam very nicely. Here also you are getting this dali, and you can place this dali inside of that in this way, and above that one you can place the material. So it's easy to installation also. Only you need to place this part on that machine. That's it, and clamp it from all side of the portion. In this way only you need to be clamp it. So get it out first. Part very easily. And you can tight it as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope you got to know each and every component of this machine, and if you have any query, there is our number is given in this channel. You can query it, and for order also you can send that WhatsApp on the 70283 70283. Thank you.